guys, what's up? It's your boy Ancho D here from Pixel Pie Media. Today I'll be showing you an impressionist style painting that I did. Impressionism painting is like painting, using colors. It's not a really well detailed picture. It's just an impression made of colors, and that's what I really like about it. The mixing of colors and how artists do it. You'll see like blue there, pink there, but it's all kind of random. That's what I really like. It's a really cool style of painting or art or whatever. I really like it, and yeah, this is my first take on it, and I'd like you guys to let me know what you think. I could use a lot of pointers. The lighting in this picture, I think it's off, and I could do a better job at it. Watching videos, but if you guys have any links to better ones that show me, that would be well appreciated. And the thing is with this video is I was doing it in Sketchbook Pro, and it has an it has a recording feature that records your strokes and whatever, turns it into a video. I was using that, but I wasn't aware that it stopped recording at a certain point and then continued on. I knew this in after I finished the whole painting, which took me like 5 hours. I think about 3 hours of that time is missing, because what happened was a little bit after this, when the scene is building, the rough painting and all of that, making the backgrounds and stuff, all that is missing. All that is missing. What you will get is like this, and like a rough build up of what the scene is going to be. Sorry, and then you just flash and go straight ahead to an almost finished product. But the video runs along enough to show you how I did what I did and how we got there. But I'm truly sorry about this, and in my future videos I will make sure that doesn't happen. So just see with me on that, please. As I said, I would like to know your opinions on this, and a little bit more on Sketchbook if you have any pointers or any links to any videos. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video, and comment, like, that would be well appreciated, or if you feel like hitting that subscribe button, thank you a lot. All right, okay, there it is, it just flashed. All right, so this is almost a finished product, and you just watch it through. It's not completely finished because this took me like 2 hours to make a complete product, so it's a lot. So again, thank you guys. All right, yeah.